Hey, Transplant Helper community, it is time again for yet another Vogmask giveaway. Let me say in the beginning of this a few things. Number one, thank you so much for the Vogmask company for sending these great products out so that we can give them away here on the program. And thank you so much for basically the partnership we've had going on for the second year now. I really do believe this is a wonderful product. If you've not already learned about it, go ahead and check out my video. I have it linked up here in the corners and in the description below where I did a full review of the Vogmask. And I'll tell you, I've been using them for over a year and I absolutely still love them. As a matter of fact, I wore one, I think, yesterday. I just hadn't been out today or I'd have one on today. But anyway, great product, especially this time of year, springtime in the South, when there's a ton of pollen, just a lot of junk floating around in the air that's beginning to make us sick. So with that said, we're going to be giving away 3 more Vogmasks today. I really appreciate all of you who've already put in your entries to the Vogmask, and I look forward to giving these away in just a moment. Let's do this pretty quick, though. I don't want to take up much of your time. Here I have all the names that have been submitted over the past week, and some of you from last week who didn't win still here in the bucket. So I'm going to shake here. I'm going to dig around, dig around, dig around, dig around. Eyes closed. We're going to pull out our very first name and see who we have as a winner today. The first winner today is, if I can get it unfolded. Can't get it unfolded. Frankie Sutherland, you're absolutely a winner today. It's been great to know you and Jeff. Just happens to be, again, someone I'm very familiar with. Jeff received his transplant over at UAB just several months ago. And so, Frankie Sutherland, I'll be sending you out a mask for Jeff. Go ahead and reach out to me on Facebook, Messenger, or something like that. Let me know your address. I can get that on out there. I look forward. So congratulations, Frankie Sutherland. You're our very first winner today of a Vogmask. Now we're going to go back in. We're going to dig around, dig around, dig around, dig around. Eyes closed. See what we have. And the very next winner today is Bob H. Bob H., I don't have any more information on you, but nonetheless, Bob H., you are a winner of a Vogmask today as well. So please go ahead and do the same. Find me over on Facebook. Go to Facebook Messenger. Send me a private message. Let me know where I can get this to. And you were absolutely a winner. So thank you so much for Bob H. for submitting to win this mask. And by the way, let me say this before I grab the last one. If you have not already entered to win a Vogmask, click beneath this video right here. Go down in the comment section. You'll have to scroll through some suggested videos. Find the comment section. Go ahead and tell me what size you need, as well as tell me why you need a Vogmask. How would you use it? How would you use a product like this? Would it be helpful at all? Tell me about that in the comments below. And if you've already done that in previous videos, go ahead and do it again. Make up a story. I don't know. Just tell me again that you still want to remain in this cup, and you'll have your chances increased every time you do. So anyway, with that said, I know you're sick of me talking so much. So here we go. Number 3 and the last Vogmask for today we're going to be giving away. Yes, I'm excited about this one as well. I'll not see your name right, though, so get ready. Jason. See, I messed up the easiest name last week with Cindy, apologize again, last week, and now I've just messed up. Jason Marilyn Bach. Jason Marilyn Bach, if you can see your name on this screen, huge fan of the program, someone who watches on a regular basis, often comments below the videos as well. Thank you so much for your support of the Transplant Helper. And Jason, Marilyn Bach. Sorry, I'm not making fun. I'm really just that dumb. Jason Marilyn Bach, you're a winner. Congratulations. Again, hit me up with a message and I'll be more than happy to not to enter. You just won, man. I'll be more than happy to send this out to you. I've got one of my children here sick today, so we're kind of having a day. Anyway, thank you so much. Again, if you want to enter, comment below, give me your size, why you would like to win, and I will definitely put you in this cup for our drawing on hopefully next Friday. So next Friday, I don't know what that is. Today's March 22nd, so whatever the next Friday after that is. Here, let me look. I know I'm taking too long here. Let me look. Next Friday would absolutely be the 29th. March 29th, we'll have a 3rd Vogmask giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yeah, going over to Vogmask.com or find them on social media, give them a very positive review. Tell them why you love their product. That would be absolutely great. Anyway, until next time, Rambly video, right? Stay stronger, friends.